Let's take a look at the classic Hello World for Hyperapp. To start with, we'll go to flems.io, flems.io. It's this super nice and easy to use prototyping tool for any kind of JavaScript experiments you want to try out. We'll start by going to the HTML tab to enter some plain HTML. Here is my Hyperapp demo. And I'll add another paragraph tag, and this one I'm going to give it the ID app, because this is where the app will go. So let's start with importing Hyperapp. NPKG is a CDN that is a mirror of NPM, so Hyperapp is both available via CDN that way and on NPM. And the functions that we're going to import from Hyperapp are h, text, and app. Okay, so we're going to make an app. We start with the app function. It requires an init property, which I'm going to leave as a plain empty object for now. And it requires a view property, which needs to be a function. And this function is going to return basically a blueprint of the DOM nodes that we want Hyperapp to create for us in our app. And the way to create this blueprint, this virtual DOM, which is a description of a real DOM, we do that with using the h function. We're going to say main, empty object for attributes, and an array for the content. So this here describes basically that we want a main tag with no attributes because the object here is empty, and we're going to put some content in there. And the content we want is an h1 tag with a class, greeting, and the content we want inside the h1 class is text, hello world. This is saying that we want, inside the main, we want an h1 with the class greeting, and the content, a regular text node that has the text hello world. The text function, as you can tell, is for creating text nodes. They don't have attributes or content, so they need a separate function. Otherwise, for h, the first argument is the name of the tag that we want. The second argument is an object with the attributes or properties that we want. And the third argument is the content we want. But we're still not seeing anything, and that is because now Hyperapp knows what we want, but it doesn't know where on the page we want it. So we're going to tell it using the node property. And the node is going to be the existing DOM node that is going to get replaced with the top level node that view returns. So we're going to use document get element by ID app. And boom, there we go. Hello world. Let's inspect it so it's as we thought. Yep, okay, here's body. Inside the body, here's the paragraph we created in the regular HTML. But instead of the second paragraph with the ID app, it's been replaced with a main tag that contains an h1 with class greeting and the text hello world.